Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Have you ever felt that looking elegant and classy requires a huge budget? Well, you're not alone. Many of us wish to elevate our style without breaking the bank. Today, I'm here to tell you that it's absolutely possible. In this video, we're going to explore some fantastic tips that will help you achieve that sophisticated look without spending a fortune. Imagine walking into a room and turning heads, all while feeling comfortable in what you wear. Sounds great, right? We're going to dive into practical, budget friendly strategies that will transform your wardrobe and boost your confidence. You'll discover how to make smart choices, select timeless pieces, and pay attention to the little details that truly matter. So, if you're ready to embrace a more elegant lifestyle while keeping your finances in check, stick around. I promise you won't want to miss what we have in store for you today. And don't forget, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Share your experiences in the comments below. Let's get started. So, why is having an elegant style so important? Well, it's not just about what you wear, it's about how you feel. When you dress elegantly, you exude confidence, and that confidence can impact every aspect of your life, from social interactions to professional opportunities. It creates a lasting impression and shows that you value yourself and your appearance. Think about it. When you see someone dressed well, doesn't it make you more curious about them? An elegant style speaks volumes without saying a word. It tells people that you take pride in yourself and that you care about the image you project to the world. Plus, feeling good in your clothes can boost your self esteem and encourage you to step out of your comfort zone. Today, we're going to unlock the secrets to achieving this effortlessly elegant look. Whether you're heading to a casual brunch or a formal event, these tips will guide you on how to present your best self. So, are you ready to transform the way you express yourself? I'd love to hear your thoughts. What does elegance mean to you? Share in the comments below. Let's kick things off with our first tip: investing in neutral colors. You might be wondering why this is important. Well, neutral colors like black, white, beige, and navy are incredibly versatile. They blend seamlessly with almost anything, making it easy for you to create stylish outfits without much effort. Imagine pairing a crisp white shirt with tailored black trousers for a classic look, or opting for a soft beige sweater with dark jeans for a more casual yet polished vibe. The beauty of neutral colors is that they allow you to mix and match effortlessly, giving you endless outfit possibilities. Plus, these shades transition beautifully between seasons, ensuring your wardrobe always feels fresh and updated. By focusing on these timeless hues, you'll not only maximize your wardrobe options, but also maintain an elegant aesthetic that never goes out of style. So, if you want to look effortlessly chic without spending a lot, start by incorporating these neutral pieces into your collection. What are your go-to neutral colors? Share them in the comments below. I can't wait to hear your favorites. Now let's move on to tip number 2: choosing structured pieces. You might be surprised at how much a well-fitted blazer or tailored trousers can elevate your look. Structured clothing has a magical way of enhancing your natural silhouette, giving you that polished appearance we all strive for. Think about it. A sharp blazer with defined shoulders instantly adds authority to your outfit, while tailored trousers elongate your legs, creating a sleek finish. Even a structured skirt can add elegance, making it suitable for various occasions. When you wear these kinds of pieces, you not only look put together, but also feel more confident. And let's not forget about jeans. Opt for dark wash, high-waisted styles that offer that refined look. Pairing these structured items with your favorite tops can transform an ordinary outfit into something truly special. Remember, it's all about choosing the right fit and style to create that timeless aesthetic. What structured pieces do you love in your wardrobe? I'd love to hear about them in the comments. Let's inspire each other with some fabulous outfit ideas. Let's jump into tip number 3: Selecting high-quality, long-lasting fabrics. The material of your clothing plays a crucial role in how refined and polished you appear. Instead of opting for synthetic fabrics that wear out quickly, focus on natural, well-crafted textiles that not only look great but also feel comfortable. For example, a well-structured cotton t-shirt is breathable and maintains its shape after multiple washes. On the other hand, satin blouses or skirts add a graceful, flowing element to your outfit, making them perfect for both casual and dressy occasions. And when it comes to warm weather, linen trousers are a fantastic choice. They're airy and bring an understated elegance to any ensemble. By investing in quality fabrics, you ensure your wardrobe remains stylish and dependable. It means fewer replacements and more confidence in what you wear. So, next time you're shopping, consider the quality of the fabric as much as the style. What are your favorite fabrics to wear? I'd love to know your thoughts in the comments. Let's share our fabric picks and help each other build a beautiful and lasting wardrobe. Now, let's explore tip number 4, wearing polished, stylish shoes. You might not realize it, but your choice of footwear can either elevate or diminish your entire look. That's why it's essential to invest in classic styles that add a refined touch to any outfit while ensuring comfort. Consider options like ballet flats, loafers, kitten heels, or minimalist sneakers. Each of these styles brings something unique to the table. For instance, ballet flats offer a delicate and feminine vibe, while loafers exude effortless sophistication. Kitten heels give you that perfect elevation without compromising comfort, making them ideal for all-day wear. When it comes to casual looks, minimalist sneakers in clean, neutral tones can create an effortlessly polished appearance. And don't forget about block heels. They provide both style and stability, making them a great choice for longer outings. Choosing neutral-colored shoes like black nude or deep brown ensures they pair well with multiple outfits, contributing to a cohesive look. So, take a moment to evaluate your shoe collection. What classic styles do you love? Share your favorites in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to step up our shoe game. Let's dive into tip number 5, mastering the art of accessorizing. Accessories can truly transform any outfit into something special and sophisticated. Let's start with handbags. Investing in a clean, structured handbag with minimal branding can instantly elevate your look. Even if it's from an affordable brand, a bag with sleek lines and quality stitching will make it appear more expensive. Opt for neutral colors like black, brown, or taupe, as these shades seamlessly complement various outfits and create a polished appearance. Additionally, having a woven straw bag in your collection can add a stylish yet relaxed touch to your ensembles, perfect for casual outings. Now let's talk about sunglasses. A well-chosen pair can add an instant layer of sophistication and mystery to your look. Go for classic shapes like cat eye or oversized frames in neutral colors. Not only do they enhance your style, but they also provide essential eye protection. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of jewelry. Simple yet elegant pieces can take your outfit to the next level. What accessories do you love to wear? Share your go-to pieces in the comments below. Let's exchange some fabulous accessory tips. Now let's move on to tip number 6, simple but elegant hair. Your hairstyle plays a crucial role in completing your overall look. A well-maintained hairstyle can enhance your elegance without requiring a salon visit. Think about styles that are both easy to achieve and sophisticated, like sleek buns, soft waves, or well-groomed ponytails. These styles are not only timeless but also complement various outfits, making them versatile choices for any occasion. A clean, healthy haircut can instantly elevate your presence and gives off an air of confidence. Remember, simplicity is key. Avoid overly messy or unkempt styles, as they can detract from the polished look you're aiming for. If you prefer a more relaxed style, soft waves can add a touch of femininity without being too fussy. On the other hand, a sleek bun can give you a chic and sophisticated appearance, perfect for both work and social events. So, take a moment to consider your hair routine. What are your go-to styles that make you feel elegant? Share your favorite hair tips with us in the comments. Let's help each other shine. Let's wrap up our list with tip number 7, embracing and valuing yourself. True elegance starts from within. It's essential to recognize your worth and love yourself at every stage of life. When you take care of your physical and mental well being, it naturally radiates as elegance and poise. Start by nourishing your body with healthy foods and staying active. Dress in a way that makes you feel beautiful and confident. Remember, the way you feel inside will reflect on the outside. When you prioritize self care, it not only boosts your confidence, but also helps you present your best self to the world. Don't forget that elegance is about authenticity. Embrace your unique qualities and let them shine through your style. The self acceptance is what truly sets you apart and adds a special touch to your overall appearance. So take a moment to appreciate who you are and the beauty you bring to the world. What are some ways you practice self love? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to embrace our true selves. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring as you work to enhance your elegant style without breaking the bank. Remember, looking classy doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. It's all about making intentional choices that reflect your unique personality. By incorporating neutral colors, structured pieces, high quality fabrics, and thoughtful accessories, you can elevate your wardrobe and boost your confidence. And let's not forget the importance of self care and self acceptance. It's the foundation of true elegance. I'd love to hear your thoughts on these tips. What are your favorite ways to look and feel elegant? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know what you liked most. Don't forget to subscribe so you can stay updated with all our latest content. I'm excited to continue this journey with you and explore even more ways to express our style together. Until next time, stay elegant, stay confident, and most importantly, stay true to yourself.